If the cycle has completed and water is still left in the machine, select a drain and spin portion of a cycle to remove any water remaining in the washer. If a single or bulky item was being washed, the load may have become off-balanced. When this takes place, some washers may shut down. Others may attempt to keep spinning but at a reduced speed. The item may not spin completely dry and the basket may still have water in it. Redistribute the load and run again. The next check should be the drain. Make sure the drain hose is not clogged, kinked, or frozen if the hose runs to the outside. If the standpipe is more than 8 feet tall, the washer pump will not be able to pump out all of the water. Was an extension cord being used? If an extension cord is used, there will be less voltage supplied to the washer. This will cause the washer motor and pump motor to run hot and shut down prematurely. Discontinue using the extension cord. If excessive suds are present, this could be caused by too much detergent according to amount of soil or very soft water is being used. Follow directions on the detergent for the proper amount to use according to soil and water conditions. If this does not solve the problem, a service call may need to be scheduled.